Okay, it's sunny Florida and it is hot. There's the sun, very hot. Okay, we have an air conditioner situation. What was happening was the air conditioner downstairs, I'm on the roof right now. The air conditioner was working for the first minute and then it would start blowing hot air. Okay, so this is a typical situation. And what I did was I came to the roof and I asked the person to turn on the air conditioner to see if that fan would turn, and it wasn't turning. So what I had to do was I had to change the capacitor, and this is the capacitor. So you have a capacitor and you have the contactor. So all I did was change the capacitor, and now the fan comes on and it continues to cool. Another sign that's indicative that the fan's not working is the two tubes that come into the air conditioner air handler unit, which is the unit that's usually inside the house. They call that the air handler because that's what distributes the air throughout the house or apartment. And this is called a condensing unit because this is where the compressor is. All right, this is where we produce the cold air. So if you check one of the tubes, the little one downstairs, you have two. One's supposed to be cool, real cold, and the other one's supposed to be warm, but it was very hot. So what was happening was the compressor was overheating and stopped producing cold. Now this is dangerous for the unit itself, so you don't want to keep running it. So there you have it, the capacitor problem solved.